Hey guys, welcome back to Living Irving. My name's Latanya Irving. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I will be talking about this wonderful product, the No7 Total Renewal Dermabrasion Exfoliator. This is a product that I've been using, and if you'd like to hear all about my results, keep on watching. Okay, so before I talk about the Total Renewal Dermabrasion Exfoliator, I do want to mention that I am not sponsored by No7 or any other brands. Also, I am not a dermatologist. I also wanted to mention that in the end of the talk about the product, there will be a demonstration on how I use the product. So make sure you watch to the end of the video so that you can see how I use the product. Okay, so what is microdermabrasion? Microdermabrasion is a more dramatic form of exfoliation and one of the newest and most exciting ways to revitalize your skin. It's a procedure that until recently was only carried out by dermatologists or beauty therapists, but with a little help from No7, you can get the same results at home. And how does it work? No7's Dermabrasion Exfoliation contains the same aluminum oxide crystals as those used by dermatologists. They're the perfect shape for exfoliating and massaging gently over the skin to help smooth, refine, and retexturize to leave it incredibly soft and radiant. Can anyone use it? Yes, the product is suitable for everyone, but if your skin is a little sensitive or dry, you may want to use it less often or spend less time massaging it in. So yeah, that definitely, I totally agree with that. If you do have sensitive skin, be very careful on how long you're rubbing this in. It's very grainy like sand. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the product. It's white and it just feels like sand from the beach inside some lotion. When you're putting it on your skin and you're rubbing it in, it's rubbing off dead skin cells. So the directions do tell you after using it, you go ahead and do your normal skincare regimen, wash your face, tone, whatever, but make sure that you are using a moisturizer. I use this at night only. I do not use this product during the day simply because the directions say that, you know, to avoid the eye area and mainly like around the lip area, because those are the areas that can become a little bit sensitive when using this product. And going out in the sun, your skin can be a little bit more sensitive after exfoliating, so keep that in mind while using it. So it also mentions how often should you use the product, and it says it's all about how your skin looks and feels. For maximum beauty benefits, we recommend a treatment twice a week, but never on 2 days in a row, as your skin needs time to produce new cells in between. So I highly recommend, please read. Also, it says just some of the results that you can expect. 91% agreed that their skin was more radiant, had a healthier glow. 100% reported softer skin. 100% after 4 treatments reported smoother skin. 80% of the testers smoother and silky skin, and then 92% of the testers softer and just softer skin. So yes, I totally agree. After the 4 treatments, matter of fact, after 2 treatments, I did see instant results. I will post some pictures above as always to show you the improvements on my skin. Watch my other videos so that you can kind of see what products that I've been using. But yes, I have been using, my skin has basically just applying makeup alone. I used to have larger pores. I've noticed that my pores have closed up. I used to could not wear highlighter like this without my pores piercing through. Also, just any brown spots that I had on my skin, they faded tremendously. My skin looks healthier. It just looks smoother. It hasn't looked this good in years. In 2018, I went through something with my health, which I neglected my skin. It did take my skin through a lot, so this is how I stumbled across the product, just looking for something to help with anti-aging and to cure the damage that happened. And number 7 gets 2 thumbs up. Everything that I've tried, I have not had any problems. I love this product. They are so underrated. I think that there should be a lot more advertisement about this product. People are spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on higher end. This is a drugstore brand, and I've turned on several people and they're ranting and raving just like me. I gain nothing by doing this. I just want to help anyone that I can, inspire, encourage, you know, help as many people that are having skin issues, and just letting them know what I'm using to get my skin healthy. I get tons of compliments about my skin, and I will say number 7 has a lot to do with that. So if you're looking for an exfoliator, I highly recommend this one. I think it's affordable, and give it a try. Comment below if you are using number 7 products, how they've worked out for you, and let me know if you've tried this product and how it's worked out. And again, go ahead and watch the demonstration. Thank you for listening to me, and I will see you in another video. Go ahead and watch how it's used. Bye.